Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a little bit of a different video to share with you today. I'm sure if you follow me on Facebook, you've noticed that I've kind of gotten into diamond painting, just a little bit. And I did quite a few purchases on AliExpress and they're starting to slowly come in. So the other day, I believe it was Wednesday, my first package showed up with 6 small diamond paintings, and this is my kitchen table. As you can see, I'm not the only one diamond painting because there's a couple of stations set up here. I kind of gotten my kids into this. So Madison, my oldest daughter, is sitting down at the end doing hers. Jonathan usually sits here and I'm usually on the other side, and all three of us are doing diamond painting. So Madison down there is working on a Princess Leia. I'm working on this Cafe Cat, so cute. And here's Jonathan's. He actually just came down. He was upstairs in his room with it, and he's working on Yoda. So he's got this done so far. And these are the square ones. Very cool. These are our first square ones that we're doing. So I did get my first package, and unfortunately my phone was dead and I was too excited. I did not film it, but they all came really nicely packaged on these foam rollers. Everything was in the package, nothing was missing. There were 6 small paintings. I believe they're all 20 by 30s, purchased from the Anna store on AliExpress, and they did send me a free gift. It is this super adorable diamond painting pen, and I believe I know Home Fun is the name of a store, but the name of the store I got these from was Anna Store, and they sent me the Home Fun pen, so I'm sure they're probably part of the same store. So cool. I just added my little grippy on there. I absolutely love it. So we got the Cafe Cat, Princess Leia, Jonathan's was Yoda, then there's Luke, Chewbacca, and Darth Vader. So I picked these ones for the family to do. We're obviously Star Wars fans, and I thought they would be super cute, and I'm super happy with the quality. Let me grab Madison so you can see. They all have at least 25 colors in them, which is amazing for a 20 by 30. So there's hers so far. The detail is just, I'll pull it back so you can see the whole thing kind of. It's so awesome. Adorable. So they're just little paintings for us to work on, and I picked small ones to kind of get started. That wasn't the first order that I put in, but it was the first order that showed up. So today I have, oh, and I also bought myself a light pad and a battery pack. So fancy. So today I have these 2 that showed up. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring it down. There we go. So this one is 3 paintings. 2 of them were for Madison, so the Beauty and Beast Rose, and this is a Little Mermaid, and then the cat is for me. And you can see the size is 30 by 30, 30 by 45, and 30 by 40. And then this one, oh, you can't really see it. I'm trying to cover up my address here too. It's a Winnie the Pooh stained glass, 25 by 75. So let's open up this one first. I'm gonna try and stay in frame for you guys. Don't know how. And again, guys, I'm new to diamond painting. Totally new, but totally addicted. And if anyone who's here on my channel because of my scrapbooking and card making, you don't want to watch this, that's fine. I'm just not going to start a new channel just for diamond painting. And I probably won't show it all the time. I'm just super excited. I'm sure you guys are too. So this is really cool. It's like a super foamy packed packaging. It's like a tube. That's cool. It's a little wrinkly. So let me just get this stuff out. Whew. So there's the little kit that it comes with the tray, the pen, and the wax, and some tweezers, and the inventory sheet. Oh, and drills all over the place. I'm gonna make sure when I open that I'm catching them all. I'm not gonna do an inventory or anything, guys. I'm not really into that. I will, once I get them open and inventoried, I'll add to the comment or to the description down below so that you know if everything was in there, if there was issues. And I guess I should tell you the name of the seller for this too. I wrote them all down. Okay, so this one is Zhuistar. So let's see if that will focus. Zhuistar Boutique is 25 by 75 square, and it was $15.66. This is Canadian. I'm in Canada, and I ordered it July 26th, and today is August 10th. I believe. So I'll move that over there because I see these little guys going all over the place. And then I've been watching a lot of videos of people's unboxings, their work in progress, and all kinds of stuff. And they show you how to release the canvas. Move the release paper so that you can get the canvas to lie flat. Oh my god, that looks awesome. Just look at the colors on that. So cool. Ah. I'll show you the picture. I am a huge Winnie the Pooh fan, especially Eeyore. He's my favorite. So that's the first one. Just gotta turn the stove down. Making dinner at the same time because I'm too excited. Okay, and then this one is a box. I can tell it's a little squishy. So exciting. See, he's got a little bit of a squish there. But you know what, guys? It's still okay. And I don't mind spending the price that it is on AliExpress as opposed to paying in the store, because my huge one that I did do, the selfie cats and dogs, was $80. Blah. But at least I know I like it now. So we have 3 paintings in this one. So they sent 4 kits. And again, same kits. So there is the Beauty and the Beast rose. Madison loves Beauty and the Beast. That is going to be a lot of dark colors. And then the other one she picked was this mermaid. She wanted a little mermaid painting. This one, I don't think it's necessarily the Little Mermaid, but it's a mermaid and it's her reflection. So you have the sun and the moon. So it's very cool. Colors are really pretty. And then this is me. I am a cat lover. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait. I have to finish that one first, but I cannot wait to get this one started. So let's see. Oh yeah, so these ones were, where were they ordered from? Zhuistar also. So the same store, and ordered just the day before. So Beauty and the Beast is 30 by 30 and it was $11.08. The Mermaid Reflection 30 by 45 and it was $14.77. And the Tabby Cat 30 by 40 for $14.77. So This is the mermaid one. Oh wow. She's going to love that. Beautiful. It's going to be so hard not to want to start these when you're still working on the other ones. That is so cool. You could even turn it into 2 different paintings. This one is the cat. The funny part is this tape is like the same tape that we use in crafting. It's so awesome. Everyone's like, oh no, it's pulling up. I'm like, just rub it. There's one of the cat's eyes. And then the other one. Ooh, his little nose. So cute. I feel like such a nerd now. And then the Beauty and the Beast rose. Ooh, this one's little. This will be good. I wasn't afraid that it was going to be too much for her. Got a little bit of a bubble, but I've been watching videos on how to take the bubbles out, so I'm not worried. Yeah, very nice. All right, so that is it. I will actually insert pictures. I did take pictures of the other packaging. I was super happy with the way those little ones came. They were totally wrinkle free. Like, they didn't have any of these wrinkles in them at all, the way that they were packaged. And they were in a bubble bag. They weren't in a box either. So it was really, really nice and super surprising. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. If there's anything you want to know, questions. Not an expert, but I'll see what I can do. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.